how to apply side push kick. Now I'll show how to apply. It is a art. Your one leg take forward and your other leg take your hip level with balance and your leg long open with balance. After that you should go to back like this. It is very most important for balance. Now I'll show how to apply fast kick. It is very powerful kick in martial art. You should use horse stance. It is wrong position. It is right position. It is most important for your balance. You can use foot stance way go to opponent's aim. Now like this you can practice in learning time. It is foot stance way and you can go to opponent's target very easily. You can use this kick in various level. You can use head level and middle and bottom level. It is very important for middle level. It is very effective level because of you and your opponent's distance. Look at summary. Horse stance, take foot stance way, apply your target.